Hi guys, I'm going to explain you how it works, the Amazon Autoresponder. You go to the installation page, you press install, and here's the terms and conditions. Press continue, select your account, and here it's going to show you the permissions we need. We need to read permission so we can read the email and see if it matches the rule that we need to respond. Compose so we can compose a draft message with the response, and send so we can reply. See edit, create Google Drives, and see download Google Drives and manage Google Doc documents because we create a log sheet that shows all the responses, what happened. View and manage spreadsheet, that's to exit installation. That's same part of it. View your calendars, that's for in order to get your time zone. View and manage your groups so we can see if you are in our group. If you're in our group, that means you paid and you can run it, otherwise cannot run. Contact an external service is if there's any errors or anything like that, we can email you. Send email as you. When you reply to the email, it's going to show that you replied. Allow this application to run even you're not present. So even you close your computer, this can run in the background and display third-party web content inside the Google application. That's basically to be able to show you the settings and everything. Here you allow. Okay. Now it's going to be part of a sheet add-on. Open the sheet, go to add-ons, and you can see it. It's a second. Let me refresh it. It's under add-ons. Amazon Autoresponder. So here press run, it's going to run right away. Test, it's going to test, just going to show you what it's doing. Main setting, here you can enable or disable it. You can filter to, that's basically to if you have multiple emails in the same inbox, to what email it's filtered, reply from. If you have multiple emails in the same inbox, where it's going to reply from, effective from. This is the timestamp it's going to search the emails from. Respond to, you can select only Amazon customer messages or Amazon and eBay, Amazon, eBay, and Walmart, or custom. You can put any string and custom. And then, or all, you can do all. No response needed in Amazon. If the person responded normally we do it within 30 seconds, then it's not going to respond. It's going to add this label. The reason is most probably it's an automatic response from them. We don't want it to go back and forth. Subject filters and body filters, any text, you can put multiple text. If it has any of these texts, it's not going to respond. Check spam, it also is going to check spam. Email for reports, where should email if there's an issue. Draft setting, you can select which draft it's going to use to respond. If you have multiple drafts, it's going to rotate. The default is Amazon. You can select any of these, or you can do a custom draft. And then you can do rules, like if it's eBay, Amazon, or Walmart, a different draft. And you can do different rules on subject. If the subject is this or this, a different draft. Office timing. If you don't want it to work all the time, you can enable this, and then in your working hours, it's not going to work. So during the week, it's not going to work. You work from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Same as Thursday. Friday, it's going to start from 12 p.m. Again, you can change this time. Saturday, it's going to be from 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. That means you don't work, and it's going to respond same as a Sunday. You can also enable this, so then if it's going to respond, it's going to mark it as read. But we don't recommend this. Here is an override. Like if there's a holiday, anything, you can select the from to date, and you can press apply. So in these days, it's gonna reply even normally during weekdays. It's not responding. You can also select a different draft. You put the name of a draft here, or it's gonna use the default Amazon reply. You can have multiple in here. And then there's triggers where you can add how often it runs. The default is every 10. We can change to every 8 hours. Now, you can see the lock in the document here at the time and how if it was run mode, the test mode, how it was launched by trigger. You can see all your settings in here, what was set. And I deleted here, so it's not public, but you can see what it searched for. And then the from email, the to email, what the subject was, what the result, if it's replied or skipped, and why it's replied or skipped, the date and EST time zone, and the message URL. When you click, it's going to open a message. Thanks.